5 things that home sellers are making a mistake before listing their home on the market. Hi, my name is Axel Ziva. I'm a managing broker at Maxwell Realty, and I'm here to highlight 5 things that homeowners and home sellers are not doing properly to get the highest value for their property. Number 1, pricing. Get real about your pricing. Now, if you want to price your home right, you're potentially accessing most buyers out there. Buyers are fully educated. Number 2, let there be light. Make sure you walk through your home, make it as bright as possible, fix every single little bulb, and fresh paint goes a long way. Number 3, staging. You thought about a staging as a very expensive matter, but at the end it's going to return your money, and at the same time we're living in a digital virtual world right now, so you can do a virtual staging. Did I just give you a hint? Number 4, cluttering and clean up your home. Make sure you get rid of all your personal items and the pictures with Uncle Joe for last Christmas. Give the buyer the exposure they need to imagine themselves in your home. And number 5, access to your home. Make sure you expose it to every potential buyer. On a note, the market is constantly changing, so as the valuation of your home. In order for you to get the free valuation of your home, make sure you contact me or click on the link below to get your free valuation right now.